Becky, welcome back to my channel. I have a really special video for you guys today, and given that it is January, a lot of us have made resolutions and goals of things that are going to make us better. We're going to lose weight, or we're going to start cooking more at home, or we're going to save money, or maybe you have decided that you really want to focus on donating to other people and devoting your time to a charity or a cause, but maybe you don't know where to do that or how to do that, or you feel like you want to help out but you don't have tons of money to go and donate like all this money to a certain charity, but you still want to do something that makes a difference. You still want to support other people and help other people, and you want to support other companies that are helping other people as well. That is where today's video comes in. I have actually partnered with Sashka Co to bring you today's video because they are a great company that works with women in Nepal to help them earn money for their families and rise above poverty through fair trade. They are taught these skills, and they make all of these beautiful bracelets and earrings and necklaces with these gorgeous glass beads. They're taught a skill, and they are able to make these bracelets and earn more than minimum wage to help support their family. So it's really, really helpful for them to have Sashka Co bracelets to make because they're helping to support their families, and they make beautiful bracelets, earrings, and necklaces. So these are just a couple of the ones that I picked up. They have all different colors, and 70% of your purchase from Sashka Co goes back to these women in Nepal. And that's amazing because a lot of times when you hear about charities and things, it's like, oh, 5% of your purchase or 10% of your purchase. 70% of your purchase goes back to these women to help support them for all the work that they're doing. And they are beautiful bracelets, and I love how they have such positive messages. These are just a couple of the ones that I picked up. They have this one which says positive vibes in this beautiful blue. They also have this one which I got from my mother-in-law. So it says survivor on it, and it's the breast cancer pink. So she's going to be getting that one. This pretty mint color says no negativity. And then this really pretty purple one also says no negativity. So I love how they are beautiful, but they also have these positive inspirational messages on them. So they're great gifts for your friend or your sisters, or bridesmaids gifts, or a just because gift. And I know Christmas is over, but it's one of those things that you can get for yourself, or they make great gifts all throughout the year for all different occasions. And you know when you're purchasing something like this from Sashka Co that you are definitely making a huge impact in these women's lives. And I like also how they just roll comfortably on your wrist. So whether it's me that's wearing it, or my 8-year-old or my 14-year-old, they're going to roll on your wrist comfortably and easily. There's no clasp to deal with. So maybe you're giving them to somebody who can't use a clasp. Maybe they're older. They're not able to clasp their own jewelry anymore. So these are perfect, and they look really, really pretty layered together like this with these really pretty glass beads. And I'll tell you a little secret too. And one reason why I never wear bracelets is because I am my father's daughter, and he's very hairy and I'm very hairy, and I have quite long arm hair, which I actually have to keep trimmed. But even that way, I still don't like to wear bracelets because they tend to pull my arm hair. But these actually are really comfortable. They just kind of roll around on your wrist. They look really good layered, and they do not pull my arm hair or my skin. So definitely, if that's a problem that you ever had in the past, these bracelets do not do that for me. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee, and there are literally hundreds of different patterns and colors to choose from, and there are even ones that are meant for children. So I highly encourage you to check out the Sashka Co website, because there are tons of beautiful bracelets and earrings and necklaces on there to choose from. And like I said, you know that you can feel good about your purchase because 70% of your purchase is going back to help these women in Nepal. So definitely a great gift idea, a best friend gift or something like that, and just something you can even give yourself. Just a positive reminder to wear on your wrist that you know 70% of the purchase of went to help somebody else. That can give you a really good feeling, and it's a great place to start if you don't know how to give back and how to find companies that give back to other people in need. This is a great place to start, and you're getting a beautiful piece of jewelry, and you're helping a woman in Nepal that needs it. So it's definitely a win-win. So I hope this video was helpful and shared with you a little bit about a company that you may not have heard of before, and it really gets you thinking about other ways, whether they're big ways or small ways, that you can help out other people in need. It doesn't always have to be a big, huge, grandiose gesture. Sometimes little things in your life can make the biggest difference in somebody else's life. So I really want you to think of this video as not just a video about beautiful jewelry and not just about Sashka Co, which is an amazing company, because it is, but also a way that you can start the ball rolling in your own head, thinking of how can you give back to other people? What companies can I support that give back to other people in need? And how can I be the best version of myself this year by helping out other people? So I will have the Sashka Co website linked for you guys in the description box. So definitely check them out if you're interested, and make sure if you like this video, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.